Hello, good morning. Mic test. Let me know in the comments if the audio is audible. Yeah. Yes, yes, welcome. Good morning. Okay, nice to see you here, Nika. Alright, so yes, good morning, good morning. Okay, so welcome everyone. Welcome to again our free trading lesson. Yeah, so this is the part two. If you guys haven't been or you weren't there yesterday, you guys can check out the part one. I have it in the live section, I guess, in my YouTube. Just check it. So today we're gonna be having the continuation of our, particularly the trading tools setup. All right. So yes, Seaweed. Good morning. Yeah, welcome. Okay, so um, let me try to add my screen in here. All right. So this is just a continuation of our lesson again. Remember, I asked you to have the materials ready. We have the trading view, then exchange, Binance. We have the Excel also, or Google Sheets, or can be a traditional, the notebook, pen and paper. Um, yeah, so for those who haven't have this or one of this, trading view and then the Binance or the exchange, it is available right now on the description down below. You can just click it, guys. Okay, and it will lead you on it. Okay, so let's focus right now on the trading view since we have it right here. So trading view, this is what you will see. Yeah, what you're seeing right now is the trading view itself. So this one is a web version. So Google, Brave, all web, you can have access on it. So second thing is it is also available on mobile app. So you can have it on your phone, you can have it on your iPad. Okay. So actually there's also an application for the computer. So you don't have to open on the website. All right. So I recommend you guys, if for those who are doing in the web, to have in it in the mobile application. Why? So TradingView has this um, thing wherein you can have alerts. So meaning you can set an alert to notify you, to get notification on your phone that, oh, let's say Bitcoin, right now, let's say it is at 26,000 price, but then you want to get notified if it gets into 26,200, right? And we don't want to be in the screen the whole time. So that is the purpose of it. So with that, you can get notification in your phone that, oh, hello, Bitcoin is now 26,200. Okay, so that's the purpose of it. Okay, so with that said, um, let's go over here. Yeah, so let's talk about some parts of the trading view for now. Up in here, we have the time frames. So this is the interval that we can see. So we will be having separate lesson for the time frame. So we'll get back on this later. But now, yes, um, when we open the right here 1 minute, can you see this one is 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute? Right here we have 1 hour. We also have days, 2 days, 3 days, weekly, monthly, even yearly, guys. Okay, 12 months, like that. So, if you're looking right now, I'm in a 12-hour chart. So, meaning one candle in here, okay, represents a 12-hour session. All right, 12-hour session. So, if I open 1 minute right now, can you see? There's a time in this section. Can you see 10, 9 seconds, 8 seconds left? And then this candle will close, and then we are going to print a new 1 minute candle. So right now, it closed. Can you see? Now we open a new candle. So this right here is the time frame. Okay. It depends. Anyways, that is just the introduction. Now we have right here on this section, this is some moment. Yeah, right here on this section, you can see different chart types. So, you can open the bars, candles, halo candles, columns. We also have like this area, but we're not going to be using it. If you can see, I have favorite the line and then the candle. So line looks like this. But yeah, we're going to be using for this one candles. We also have those, with weight, like Haikin Ashi. This one is different, you know if you'll see out there, there are strategies with it, but we're not going to be tackling that. We're going to be focusing on price action itself. So that's going to be dealing with the regular candlesticks, the opening, the closing, and everything. So right here is your indicator area. All right. So we have different indicators. If you click on that, just so let's say I want an indicator like RSI, just type it in, click it, and then it will appear on your screen. So for example, right now I have this. So if you see, this is the RSI, the MACD. So, okay. So right here, this is your alerts. All of the list of your alerts will show in here. This one is the bar replay. If you want to replay something and you want to just back test it, let's say, you can do that in here. So with alerts for shortcuts, can you see the cursor right now, guys? If I'll move to the right, can you see the plus sign button with the circle on it? If you click on that, yeah, add alert right now, like that. Yes. Now you have added an alert. Now, if you'll open that, for example, okay, I'll teach you guys. Um, we don't want it to be in the crossing, okay? So we want it if it's less than the price. That's what I want, less than the price. And, have it every time. So, by the way, it depends, okay? If you are in a 3 hour session, every 3 hour, can you see? We have like 2 hour before it closes. So, after 2 hour, new candle prints, meaning by the time it will, you know, I'll give you an alert again. So that depends. So only once if you're scalping, day trading, like that, okay? So yeah, you can have name if you want. You can have expiration and what else? Mm-hmm. Yeah, so by the way, in application, I do believe you can change the sound of it. So yeah, if you're in an app, yeah, on here we can see. So this is this is the one that I always have, clock. Yeah, you guys can, select whatever you like or you prefer. Okay, so right here naman, we have, if you want multiple charts like that, okay? Multiple charts in your screen, you can have that. What else we have in here? Yeah, nothing much. Now, right here is the tools. Okay, we have the cross. So this one is just the cursor. Okay, nothing to, extend. But now, I want you guys to focus on the ones that I have favorite. Okay, the one with the golden star. So these are the tools that we will be using a lot in our trading. We have the trend line, the arrow, horizontal line, horizontal ray, okay, vertical line, parallel channel, okay, some of those. Now we go over the Fibonacci's. There's a lot of Fibonacci's, guys, but we will be using the retracement, trend, gun backs, not that much, okay, not that much, but yes. Right now we have in here for the tools, we have the brush, highlighter, rectangle, circle. Sometimes we use it, but not that much. And yeah, path, curve, not that much. Triangle, yes, for plotting patterns. Okay. Now we have the text. Okay, this is just like some of it. you guys can heart it. So the moment you do, for example, I'll do, favorite like that. If you see at the bottom area, okay, let me check if you guys can see the bottom area. By the way, if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments, okay? So right here, it felt jagged, okay? If you so you guys can see that at the sha. Yes. So the moment I add a star, for example, like this, can you see it adds at the end? So this, you know, this bar right now is your shortcut. So I always place it down in here. So we don't have to open every single one of them again and again. Okay, so Elite Wave, okay, for those who wants advanced lesson, who those who wants to, step up, you can contact me. All right, because right now we're gonna be having basics for now. Yeah, so we have long position date range right here. You guys can rewatch the video, okay, and just see it for yourself. All right, so now that we have it in here, we can easily click on it like this. Okay, by the way, if you guys want to edit it, the moment you click on that tool, this bar now will show up. So right here you can edit everything. Okay, you can edit if you want to add text. All right, if everything, color, fonts, style right here, if you want to change the color, okay, whatever you prefer. And if you want to save that, you can go on the template and just simply do save as. That's it. So the moment you save it, you will get this, guys. Okay, bear show B, higher high. So the next time I click an arrow, I'll just go over here and then just click like that. It will set up for me. I don't have to type it again and again. Okay, because in trading, we want to save time. We want to, as a scalper, I wanted to everything to be quick, so you can have this, and yeah, it won't eat up your time. All right, so uh-huh. Yeah, so those are the tools for you. Now, if we go down in here, this area, this is just some magnetic tools, but the most tool that I use in here is the drawing mode. So this is the thing. If we're not on the drawing mode, if you'll click it, okay, the next time it won't, if you'll click it again, it will be on the cursor mode. But if you will be on the drawing mode like this, you can draw continuously. Okay, and if you want to cancel it, just click escape 2 times, I guess. Yeah, until it is gone. I mean, the tools, for example, like this, now it is back on the cursor. Okay, so what else we have in here? Uh-huh. Yeah, on this side, now let's go over on the right side. The topmost, okay, this one is the alert, this one is the watch list. Okay, this area. Um, I don't Let's not go over here. This is the most important thing, the watch list. Okay, if you click on that, can you see you have currently I have the blue list on it. So if you go down, okay, ignore my list, guys. But yeah, if you want to create a new list like this, so let's say this one is gonna be my um practice. Yeah. All right, so click on that. Currently, it doesn't have anything. So click on the plus sign. Now, okay, listen up. So, if you see, we have all of this. These are the coins, stocks, crypto, everything are mixed up. Okay, because TradingView does not only offer for crypto, it also offers for stocks, other, okay, also forex. Yeah, so on the other side, on the right side, we can see the exchange. So for us, remember, we're going to be using Binance. So that's why I told you guys as much as possible, have the Binance so we have uniformity. So let's click BTC and then type in USD. We can see multiple. uh, exchanges right now. But we're gonna add T on that because we want the Bitcoin against USDT. Or if you want it, I want Bitcoin against Ethereum. That's possible. We have that. Or I want Bitcoin to be against BUSD. All right, we have that. By the way, I guess for the new ones in here, you guys are wondering what is USDT, what is BUSD means, right? So USDT, BUSD, they are the stable coins. So we have coins, we have altcoins, diba? We have altcoins, for example, XRP, Ethereum, they are altcoins. So in short, I mean, in no, they are alternative coins. So in short, it is altcoins. So we have the main coin, which is the Bitcoin. Okay, so those coins are tradable. So they move volatility. They have volatility. So meaning they can go from 4 to 4.5, wherein you are able to make money. Okay, but with USDT and BUSD, if I'll open it right now, the charts of it, USDT market cap, I'll open it. Let's add it. This is how you add, guys. Okay, now let's open it right now. Can you see? Ignore. Oh, this is the market cap. My bad. Uh-huh. Where is this one? So let's just have USDT against USD. Okay. So now this is against the fiat itself, the USD. Okay. So let's go over. Can you see? There's barely nothing. It's not moving. Unlike the uni earlier, nothing. It is stable. So some of the stable coins we have BUSD. What's the other one? Mm, BUSDTC, USDT, BUSD. I forgot the other coins, guys. But yeah, this is where we're gonna be trading most of the time, USDT or BUSD. Okay, so now again, let's add Bitcoin in here. Now that we have Bitcoin, by the way, if you wanna take out some coins, just click on the right there, the X icon. Okay, so now we have the BTC in here. So these are just some of my. So if you see that there's already like drawing, so these are drawings, guys. Okay, this one is a rectangle. Okay, for those who are new in here, this one is a trend line. All right, and this I have predicted. Can you see the arrow? I have posted this one in my Discord Bitcoin updates. So let me try to open that if I can. Nah, just next time, guys. Let's do that next time. But yeah, I predicted around May that Bitcoin is gonna go down around the zone, and yes, we did, and we have the bounce. Yeah. So yes, going in here now. So if you can see, you can move your chart this way, guys. Okay, this way, that way. Yes. So if it gets so messy like this, go over on the settings down in here and just go reset price scale. That's it. Okay, and it will reset everything. So if you open this one again, by the way, Bitcoin is gonna have this. I mean, the trading view is gonna have this preset: red list, blue list, green list. You know, all of this pink list like that. It's a preset. So you can also change the name, but with the blue list, I kept it blue list only. So, for example, if you are in a mhm, let's open random futures list. Okay, so let's say that you're going over all of the coins, and then you see one coin, for example, particularly like let's say Storm J, okay, or Store J, right here, and you see that, oh, it has a setup. So just click on this area, and it will, you can select where list you want to put it in. So I want it on the blue list. So the moment next time you go on the blue list, now it's just like sorting out. It's not gonna be messy for you now to chart your coins. All right, so that's it for the trading view. Yes, and now let's go back on our, right here, our list. Now that we tackled about the trading view, let's go on the Binance. So Binance, let me try to share that screen. Yes, Alex, good morning. Good morning. So, mhm. By the way, for the Binance link, guys, again, it is in the description down below. Okay. So this is how, the moment you open it, this is how it's gonna look like. So you guys can sign up, or you can do by Google directly and Apple. So let me just go back, guys. I'll just sign in with a dummy account. Okay, just a moment. hmm I'll just sign in right now with the dummy account. So continue. Okay, so now I have logged in on a dummy account. So let me share that screen again. All right, so this one is yeah. So can you guys now see? So it's been ages, guys, that I have signed in. So I guess now it's totally different the platform now. But yeah, I'll just go over on the basics, particularly futures, because that is how we will be trading with it. So we have now the dashboard, username. You guys can um, check all of this yourself. They are pretty what do you call this one? Yeah, finance earn. So before that, I would like to tell you guys, you have to get verified. Okay, so please verify your account before you start trading or depositing money in it. So by depositing, you guys can do it with P2P. So go over on the trade and then P2P. So by the way, guys, yes, this is now on the web application, but I do recommend you to do it in your phone because I have a student, a premium member, who was doing transfers in his computer. What happened is this: his his web browser got hacked. So the hacker was doing this. Okay, I'll tell you. So for those who are new in here, we have this wallet address. So for example, if we want to deposit in, in our blockchain. Okay, I'm not quite sure if this one is sharing now. Yes, so let me check. Okay, it's not sharing. So I'll share this tab. Okay, now, so if you want to deposit, guys, for example, you'll select a coin, right? But now I need to have verification. I need to be verified in order to have access on all of this. But can you see this? We have deposit address. So you will get this series of letters and numbers. So that is identical. No, no, that is um unique, guys. You will never have similar address. That's the beauty with crypto. But so what the hacker did, his own wallet address, he put it in. He will change it right here. So whatever you copy in here, thinking that it is your address you are depositing into, yeah, it is actually his address. So be careful on that. So my recommendation is, guys, do it in your phone. Okay, we have Binance application, so please do it on your phone whenever you do transfers. Yes, you can trade in here, it's fine, no problem, but when it comes to transfers, do it in your phone, so you have the your wallet address itself, because you're doing it in the application of Binance. I guess we have application of Binance already in the laptop also, but you know, I myself, I do it in the phone. Okay, so yes, you can do it in the market. In the phone, we also have that P2P. Okay, so don't worry about that. So P2P for those who are in the Philippines. Okay, we have all of this bank transfers. If you want to buy. Okay, we also have Gcash, I guess. Okay, just check this out yourself. Yes, so this is the P2P. And if you want to sell, if you want to withdraw from Binance, that is absolutely doable. So the moment you guys are, profiting now and like earning $500 per week, yeah, you can withdraw and treat yourself. Yes. Okay, so right here you have some limit. Just check on that. The pricing. Yeah. All right, so let's go back on the Binance. Okay, so now going on the market, let's go on the derivatives. So in your phone, it will be different. You have direct access on the futures itself. So let's go on the futures market. Yeah. So right now, this is all futures market in here. So let's say we want to trade Bitcoin. Just go on trade like this. Click on that. So by the way, it will have a pop-up of quiz. So please watch this one yourself, because it will literally teach you everything. So what I will be doing is just an overview. Okay? So right here. So this is your ticker. By the way, this is so bright. I always have mine black. Okay, there you go. Okay. So if you're a person who prefers white, you can have it. Okay. But I prefer black. It's easy on my eyes. Okay, so now we have the Bitcoin in here. If you want to change it, you can change it directly around this area. If you want to trade Ethereum, any other ticker, let's say. So we have the market price limit. By the way, limit is this. You have the option of like changing the price. So currently it's 26,300. And let's say, Miss, I want to have my entry at 26,300. I think, or I see that it has the possibility to go back down. So I'm going to have my entry around here. Yes. So now you can change that. 26, let's say 350. And then size of Bitcoin. Let's say I want to trade one Bitcoin like this. Or let's say I want to trade by USD. I want to trade size of 10,000 like that, $10,000. Yeah, you can do that. So the moment you say buy long, meaning you are expecting the price to go up. If you do sell or short, meaning you are expecting the price to go down. That's it. There's no other way, guys, okay? Just up and down in this market. It's it's no rocket science. So, let's go on the market. So, market itself, it is the exchange itself who's gonna do the pricing for you, meaning whatever is the nearest price right now in the market, meaning market price. Right now, the market price is 26,395. Or if you go over the order book, Whatever is in the middle right here, that is the market price. So whatever the price is in here, that is gonna be your entry price. So whatever you do, buy long or sell short. Okay? So there's actually, we have mode, we have the cross, we have the isolated. So now, with the isolated, let's say you want to trade $100. So your size right here, you put in $100. Yeah, meaning, okay, let's put it $100. Oops, not this one. Okay, right here. So $100. So, you know that in trading, I told you, right? It's not profit, profit, profit only. There will be losses. So let's say the moment your trade hits negative 100, the your position is gonna close itself. Okay, no trade for you now, gone, close. But if you are in a cross market, okay, or a cross mode, let's say you put in $100, yeah, on the trade, but in your whole wallet account, in your futures account, you have, let's say, $1,000. So meaning, you just put in 100, you still have 900 spare. So when the trade goes against you, let's say you're now hitting negative 100, now negative 150, still the trade is going to be on. Why? You have a backup. Okay? So this is the problem with it. So it goes negative 1000, obviously your whole account is going to be wiped out. Yes? So, that is, don't be scared with that, okay? I know it sounds scary, but, you know, we have uh what do you call that, we have system, to back all of those up. All right, but if you guys are asking, so Miss, what are we going to use now, cross or isolated? I personally use cross. Okay, I personally use cross. That's it. Okay, so now if you go over here, Miss, what is the 20x? Yeah, so this, guys, right here is what we call leverage. I'm not gonna go deeply what leverage is, because when I was a beginner myself, I was like, what on earth is that? I don't get the concept of it. So I'll just tell you this, as simple as it is. It is a multiplier. So can you see the X? It is a multiplier. So let's say that whatever money you have, it will multiply by whatever you put it in here. Crazy, right? Where does the money comes from? It comes from Binance. Okay, so um, let's say currently 0x, meaning zero. So no multiplier. But when we do, I'll do 10x. So you guys getting it now? Whatever happens or whatever it is in right here, it everything is multiplied by 10. Oh, so Miss, are you saying that my profit is also multiplied by 10? Yes, it is. But remember, your losses is also multiplied by 10, okay? Everything in here is multiplied by 10. So, with that said, I'm not saying now that, oh my goodness, everything is gonna multiply, my profit is gonna multiply. But yes, also your losses are gonna get multiplied. So if you do 100, okay, let's say you go negative 100%. Okay, let's talk about that later, the percentages. But yes, that fast you go up, that fast you go down also. So, Miss, what is the ideal leverage then? I personally use 5, 3, 5, 7, but mostly 5. Okay, do I use 10? Be honest, guys, I don't remember the last time I have used 10. It's been years. Okay? It's been years. But, Miss, did you used to do 50x also? Yes, I did. When I was a beginner. And that was the time I was hitting negative $400. And at the same time, I was also hitting positive $400. But was it sustainable? That was the question. Yeah, yes, I will earn so much, but at the same time, I will lose so much. So, this right here for me personally, especially for those who are just starting out, I recommend you do 2x or no x at all. Just do 2. 3, the moment you get the hang of the market, then you can increase to 5. Okay? So, yeah, 5x. Now, with that said, if we go on the chart right now, can you see? And we have percentages, right? Right now, the Bitcoin is negative 0.16%. So, market move negative 0.16%. So, this is the catch. Let's do by 10. So, when we multiply, everything is easy. So, Miss, 10x. Are you saying that right now, right here, the zero point 0.2 is also multiplied? Yes. So, if you're, let's say you entered a chart, I mean, if you enter a trade, and then from that entry, it has moved, let's say this is your entry, and it moved, okay, it's moving. On the chart, you see it's zero point 0.3, but on your trade, since it is multiplied by 10, it's gonna show 3 3%. 0.3 times 10 is 3%. So if it moves 1% in the chart, I know it's just 1%, but on your trade, you're earning 10 times or you are losing 10 times. So um, let's say you did right here, I have a position size. By the way, everything multiplies. Remember that. So if let's say right now you have, just imagine, not, I don't want you to imagine, okay, but just let's just say for example purposes, I have $1,000 in here right now, $1,000, and I want to play half of my account, so $500. So for me to put in $500 in here, this is right here is multiplied already. So I have to multiply 10 times 500. How much is that? That is 5,000. So if I'll do 5,000 in here, can you see? It will cost me $500, guys. But I am playing 5,000. Yeah, that is the beauty. Yes, that is the beauty of leverage. But it doesn't mean that we're going to abuse it by doing 100x. Okay? So, me doing 100 x like this, I guess it's not, yeah, it's not letting me, because Binance itself knows that it is not, advisable for beginners. This is a beginner account. So let's just do 20x. And yeah, let's do, I want to do 5,000 in here. Can you see? It is now cut down in size. Earlier, when we were doing 10, it was 500. Now we're doing 20, it's now 250 only. It's going to cost me 250 only. But at the same time, this 20x is going to be the movement of my account also, or my trade. So if this trade goes all the way up till 1, 1 times 20 is 20%. Yes? But if I'll do 10x, 1 times 10 is going to be 10x. So let's say now I have 5,000 right here. Um, 10% of 500, how much is that? That is $50. So if you're in the positive, that is positive profit $50. Okay? But if you're in a negative, the trade goes against you. It's going to be negative $50 also. Okay? So that much only I want you guys to understand with futures. So right here, this is the order book, and all of this, if you guys can see, these are the orders, meaning they are not filled yet. They are not in a position. Okay, so let's say if you are in a limit, and let's say you want to do 350, can you see? It's not at 350 yet. So it goes all the way down in here. You are in the order book. You are in the waiting list. All right. So also the same. This is the sell orders. So we have the buy, we have the sell orders. So Down in here, can you see? These are the orders that got filled in. So, you know, we can literally see that lots of people are buying and buying. Now people are selling, selling, now buying, selling, selling. Yeah. So that's how it goes in here, guys. Okay. So if you're a price action trader, I myself as a scalper, I also use this to see the market, how the market is. But that's another lesson. Yeah. That is by trading by the order book, which I also use with my scalping. Okay. So yeah, that matches. So the moment you do the order, if you go down in here, you can see the precision. If you did limit and it's not yet filled in, it's gonna be in the open order. So you can see the order history. Again, since this is a new account, there is no history, nothing, position history, everything will be here. Okay. So yeah, for those who are a beginner, take your time. It's really important to take your time to know how your exchanges operate. Okay, so master it. Take your time. You have to learn how, you know, just a moment. Okay, where am I going? Just a moment. No, no, no. Okay, so we have trading bots. Those are some other stuff. Option trading. Yeah, other stuff. All right. Okay, so we have question in here. Miss, why do you choose cross? Again, with cross, I have the ability to uh, be flexible with my trade, unlike the isolated. And since day one, I have just been trading by cross. So, can I make another Binance account using same name? That I am not quite sure because I have not done that. But you can try. You just try it. Okay? All right, so let's go back on our list. Um, yeah, we have now the Excel sheets, notebook, and journaling. So I'll keep this one short. All right, I'll keep this one short. Let me share this one. So we're gonna be doing it in the sheets, okay? Since we have it in uh, the website right now. So this one is an example only sheet. So how do we I'll give you guys an example, okay? Just a beginner type of setup. So, first up, have the date. Next thing, you have the ticker. Or if you want to add, I want to know what number of the trade is this now. You can have that. And then you can add ticker. Ticker, by the way, let's talk about that later. But yes, ticker. And then we'll have the entry price if you want to, log that in. Exit price. Okay. What else? Okay, leverage, very important. You need to know, you know, what leverage you did. Margin also. Okay, this is the cost. Remember earlier in the Binance, this is the cost. Now with the position size, this is the totality of leverage multiplied by the margin, meaning how much is your position size. You need to know that. Okay. Um, w- Now this is personal. If you want to do, if you want to know if did I short or did I long, diba? So S or L, or short or long. Was it a long or was it a short position? What else? So by the way, this is how I did it when I was starting out, guys. Okay, literally. And what you're seeing right now is just the same in my notebook. I did not start doing it in online or in an app. I did traditional by the notebook. So I have this notebook with me. What was that? Yung apple, yung green na ano. I guess it's a famous notebook in Philippines. But yeah, it's color green. I forgot the name. Green apple? I'm not quite sure. But yeah, so what I did is I took a ruler and then just do column, write everything down. That's what I did it. Okay. And yeah, another one right here. Yes, obviously. Was it a profit or a loss, diba? P&L. So just type it in. Now, this is the most important thing why we are journaling. I'm going to add it. So in your notebook, guys, what I did, I was literally drawing the chart. So this is it. Okay. Sorry. You can have notes or have it remarks. Whatever. Okay. Whatever suits your boat. Yeah. So date, for example, right now we have June. What's the date today? 19. Okay. Trade number one. Then we have the ticker BTC. Okay. BTC. Since we are gonna be always gonna use it against USDT, okay, like that, I'm not gonna type it in anymore. Okay, so I'm just gonna, it's I don't know, it's self-explanatory that I'm doing, against USDT by the future. So enterprise, let's say 26,350, and let's say I have exited at okay, let's do this short. Oops, I cannot move this one. Just a moment, guys. Can I move this? Yes. Okay, so let's say I did long there, and I exited at the profit of, let's say, 26,700. Let's say price move all the way there, and I was doing 5x. I'm not gonna do x anymore. I'm just gonna do 5. And then let's say my margin, I did $500. So in position size now, a little bit of maths in here, guys. Okay, little bit of maths. So click on that icon, then multiply the margin, just enter it. So I was actually playing a $2,500 position. Okay. So of course it is in profit. And how much profit was it? So let's say I am positive $50. Okay. So it is up to you now, guys, if you want, if you want the totality of, of everything down in here. Oops, my bad. Uh-huh. Some moment, guys. I forgot. Some, okay, from here, from here. Oops. What is this? K 18. Yeah. So, as you go over, let's say you have more trades like 2, 3, 4, like that. Okay, I'm negative 25, I'm positive 50, 16, negative 80. So this right here is going to be your total profit and loss. So at the end of the week or at the end of the month, you can see everything. Okay. So now, um, this is it. The most important thing for the beginners, okay, is the notes. You need to know what made you enter the trade, okay? Or how did the trade or the setup that you are trying, went. So let's say you're doing a pattern type of strategy, or you're doing a price action type of strategy. You can put that in. So let's say I'm in it was a symmetrical triangle setup, and what else? I waited for the breakout, or let's say I get a. You can also put in, guys. What I used to do before is this. I should have waited for my entry. Why? Why did I say that? Sometimes before I get FOMO. I'm not quite sure if you guys do that. Okay, I'll get so excited. But, there are times that we just enter the trade right away, even though we know that it is not the entry yet. So, these are just some notes that you can improve next time. So let's say this one is negative. So, let's say it's in loss. Note down, be honest with yourself. Okay, you're not lying to anyone but yourself only. So if you did, I got greedy. Or let's say to, I listened, okay? to someone else. Let's just say something like that. Okay, listen to someone else. What else? By the way, ignore my writing, guys. Okay, I'm doing typing so fast. So I greedy. I listen to someone else, or to profit. I don't know, early, or what do you call this? Um, any reason of any stupid, okay, I'm calling it stupid mistakes or stupid action, guys, that you did. Write it down. That's it. Write it down. And the next time you trade, make sure not to do that mistake again or repeat that mistake again. Okay? And repeat what profited you. That's it. And one thing, with the advanced na guys, if you go over on the trading view, you can go right here, take a snapshot, copy the link like this. Yes, copy the link. And this is the beauty with with online, because we can, let's say this is your personal note, and then right here we can have the trading link. So meaning, paste it the next time. Okay, you just click on that. You can see the setup that you did. Okay, like this, which, so if you did the setups, I'm not quite sure if you guys see that. Oh yeah, by the way, oh, right here, right now, yeah. So again, add trading link, and then right here, just paste the what we copied in the trading view, and the moment you click this, like that, it will show up, okay, your that particular setup that you did. So it's not gonna get uh lost. So all right, so I guess that covers everything. Yeah, I know it's a little bit long this time compared to yesterday. Yeah. So tomorrow we will have another lesson now. Continuation, yeah, continuation of cryptocurrency trading. Okay, so that's it for this morning, guys. You can review this whole video, it's available only. Yeah, and if you have friends, again, if you have family who wants to learn trading, just send them this link. And I hope this whole video, okay, has helped you. Yes. And if it did, just do like button. I mean, like, yeah, just do a like on this video, guys. Yes. Yeah. And if you have any questions, you can message me in my Instagram. It's right there, Mayari Capital. Yeah. And for those who wants to join into premium, you want to have the whole access of the lessons. I have it. Okay, it's in a Google Drive. Yeah, it's why I started premium back then, to teach students. So yeah, full lesson is there. Yeah. So what else? Tomorrow, yeah, we'll continue tomorrow now. Yeah, I'll see you guys uh tomorrow morning. Thank you for being here. Yeah, thank you for your time. And I hope by the end of all of this series, yeah, we're down 2 days now, 10 for 12 days more to go. Yeah, I hope it will open up the door for you into trading, and you guys uh, get into this journey. Yeah. All right. So bye bye everyone. See you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.